Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you the best BullX Neo buy and selling setting that help to grow crypto portfolio. If you want to smaller trading with less stress, then make sure to watch until the end. Let's dive in. First, log into your BullX Neo account. Once you are in, choose any random token. I recommend starting with stable and trending coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDT. I personally set it to trigger when the price drops by 3% to 5%. This way, I buy at a discount when the market dips. To access the settings, click the icon next to the gas option. This will open the buy and selling setting. For low volume trades, you can use this setting. Priority 0.001, max slippage 3%, protection disabled, BRIB 0. Use the same setting for both buy and sell. These are optimized for small trades. If you are trading larger amounts, especially meme coins with over a $1 million market cap, here what I recommend. Priority 0.03, max slippage reduced to 20% for more control, protection enable for added safety. BRIB start with 0.01. You can increase if needed but don't overdo it. Again, mirror these settings for both buying and selling. This BullX Neo buy and sell setting made a huge difference for me and they could for you too. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.